Being hugged and kissed by the rain, the window faded. The blossoms outside blurred, urging me to draw a heart on it and view the blossoms. My heart walked to the days of my small frogs. Breathing the serene happiness, I took my white papers and folded it to be my childhood's masterpiece. Took the pastel, tinted it end to end. Myself smiled, and being with the excited eyes of a little girl, I glanced at my vivid creation, went out and placed it in the little river in my yard, and saw it strip, delighted in it with a pleased heart. On the course, the droplets fell heavily. The enticing hue drained. My river turned to be red. My creation lost its form. My eyes filled to combat the rain. My heart lost its gleam in the water. Just like my childhood days of hearty smile, my creation too vanished, leaving behind the wistful memories. Walking back to my room, my heart wept. It was just a paper boat.